Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to import CSV file into R. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscription button below. Turn on the notification bell to get instant notification once new video is being uploaded. And also, if you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section. Let's get started. To import CSV into R, personally, I make use of two methods. The first one is to first save my data under the variable name data and use the read.csv, and after which I would define the pathway of my data. So my data is saved under desktop as density underscore yield.csv. So for your system, you have to know the path to which your data is saved, and after which you put set header equal to true, meaning that your data is having a header, and separation, and this separates sep here equal to comma. So for CSV file, it is separated by a comma. Okay, so after doing this, you click your Control Enter. So once you do that, you will see your variable here under the environment, and we're having 100 observation and 2 variable. So we can use the head here to view the first few rows of our data. So if I use this head open parenthesis data, I would have the first few rows of my data here. So we're having density as the head and the yield as the head for this column. All right, so now the second method here, very quickly, is to use the file.choose. Okay, now what this particular code does is to open up another window where I can now search for my data myself. Should, in case you don't know the pathway of your data, you can use the second method. So I would Control Enter this. Now look at this new window that has popped up. So you just go directly to where your data is saved and retrieve it there. So my data is saved on the desktop, and it is saved as so let's look for the data a little bit. All right, so here's my data. It's saved as density underscore yield. So I will just click on this and open it here in R. So you can see here the data has immediately been imported into R. So you can see it here on your environment and saved as data1, because that is what I saved the data here, the code here as. Okay, so we're having 100 observations as well as 2 variables. So now for this, I can decide to check the few rows of my data here, data1, and see how it goes. Control Enter, and you can see the few rows of my data. So personally, this is how I import that CSV file into R. In our next video, we're going to look at how to import datasets from other sources. Okay, so for now, bye.